Another day at G Exhaust, offering a G Exhaust catback on a 2018 GT3. The thing is super minty, all right? Brand spanking new. Car has very low miles, and nobody's ever touched this car. First ones to do exhaust or touch anything on the exhaust on this thing. And we're doing something very unique. We've done a little bit more often. The G Exhaust catback, all right? Infamous G Exhaust catback. We did a partial sponsorship for him so he can rock the G Exhaust catback for a fraction of the cost. We're gonna get these systems out on the road. So we saved him a ton of money. We hooked him up with a full titanium catback with headers, valve control exhaust, all titanium coated with a set of G Exhaust tips, which look amazing in my opinion. Got that black chrome finish. Like I said, titanium coating on everything. This thing's super light, titanium, baby. It looks sick. The thing looks perfect. It's a work of art, guys. Look at the welds, perfect welds. Like I said, can't get much better quality than a G Exhaust catback. We did the headers on this thing. We got these coated for him as well. These are stainless steel. Everything else is titanium. And got the custom G Exhaust bands, baby. Bands that make her dance. The G Exhaust bands. So pretty sweet branding on there if you guys notice. And yeah, that's the GT3. Crispy red paint job with a badass wing on the back. Let me show you guys the stock exhaust real quick. This is it. All the GT3s have this big ass muffler in the rear. Center exit with the tip brackets right there. Does come with a set of stock headers and secondary cats with the factory valve control. We're doing a plug and play system on this one. So we're eliminating everything, upgrading it all, because this is a pure race car, guys. We're making race cars here at G Exhaust. You guys saw the last few videos we're doing. We're doing C8 Corvettes, Lamborghinis. We got another GT3 RS pulling up. We're gonna put that in the video for you guys. So, you know, we specialize in Porsches, baby. So, like I said, full catback. We're letting this thing cool off. We sprayed everything with PB Blaster so everything comes off super smooth. It's gonna be crispy and it's gonna sound like a monster. So stay tuned. Let us know if you have any questions. If you got a Porsche, everything from a 911 to a 718 to a GT3 RS, hit us up. We got systems available for you guys. So let us know if you're interested. Stay tuned. We're gonna show you how to build a GT3. We're all done with the GT3 RS. My bad, not a GT3 RS, that's in the back. This is a GT3, 2018. You guys see the perfect fitment, G Exhaust headers, loop-to-loop pipes, titanium catback with the G Exhaust tips, bracketed into the exhaust, which is the only way to do it. So if you're looking for a system like this, you hit us up. We got GT3, GT3 RS, 911, 718, Turbo S, you name it. We got systems for you guys. We actually have in the back 911 2022, a 971 Panamera, GT3 RS, and all the systems for the Porsches in stock. These are customers' systems already. They're sold, and boom, GT3 RS.